Ni mururungano itafanitio guku mucini munene wa Nairobi kuri arutani ya university rungu rwa ngwataniro ya UASU na aruti wira ya university rungu rwa ngwataniro ya KUSU manyitanire hari gutetia thirikari makienda kurihwo mbeca ciao iria ciritheirio kuma mwaka wa 2017 ni iria riwirugamire ciringi bilioni 7.9. Arutani magakinyia mateta mao kuhitukira thabari nginyagia bunge-ini ya kibururi kuria maneanine mateta mao kuri speaker wa bunge Moses Wetangula na muikariri giti wa kamiti ya githomo Julius Meli mbere ya kwacoka kuha thabari nginyagia ministry-ini ya kigina na ministry-ini ya githomo kuria ona kuo maneanire mateta mao.
You must pay us 7.9 billion.
Yes.
You have the judgment with you.
Yes.
You have the advisory opinion from the Attorney General.
Yes.
That was dated to your office on 10th April 2025. Kindly honor that one first.
Parliament already gave us the money. Attorney General already advised that that money be paid. And therefore, we have come to present our petition if, and it looks like the parent ministry is asleep, we have brought a petition to wake you up. Get us the 7.9 billion shillings and we'll be back to work.
Ona gutika thirikari ni reketie kurekereria ciringi bilioni 2.5 iria ikinyeirie aruti wira aya ngwataniro ici ikeheta na kuga itiracokereria wira nginyagia mbeca ciothe ireho magitariria teriria riothe manathikiriria thirikari na magacoka wira ciiraniro ici itihingaga.
We are on strike until and unless the money is paid. We are not leaving this strike anytime soon. Be prepared for this battle. It will go on until we are paid what is due and owing to us.
Wamekataa kutulipa fedha zetu. Tumewapatia miaka 8 years hawajatulipa. Tumekuwa watu wa subra, tumekuwa tukiendelea na kufanya kazi. Sasa imefika wakati we have to say enough is enough.
On the matter of 2017-2021, we are not reopening it. Get it from us. We shall not discuss anything to do with 2017-2021. The only thing remaining is for you to pay. Pay.
Oho ni manyururetie mukana wa minister wa githomo Julius Migosio Gamba uria muthenya wa ira arutire mukana giatha arutani ya macokererie wira akiuga kuri na watho wa igoti wa gwathana undu uyu hanike o mieri igithiaga na mbere.
I heard the CS crying. Only day 7 and you are crying. 2023 we went for 9 months. Where were you in 2023? These are battle-hardened generals and members. Yesterday night, I was told CS Ogamba was telling us to go back to work.
No.
I want to tell him, we shall not go back to work come what may.
Yes.
Ona thengi ya thirikari kurekereria kigina gia ciringi bilioni 2 riu arutani amehitete matiracokereria irathi-ini ciao onginyagia kigina kia ciringi bilioni 7.9 kirihwo kiri giothe. Ariria KAMEMBA TV kuma guku Nairobi ritwa rakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.